We are on a 300 cow, 5th generation dairy farm here in Lowellville, New York. My father grew up on the home farm, which is 2 miles up the road. That was bought in 1916, I believe, and we're 5 generations later. This facility is 2 years old, and we've been farming here since the year 2000.
We milked in a tie stall 100 cows, and we rented another farm on the West Road, and we milked 60 cows there between the two of us, one at each barn. And then in 2023, we built this facility, and we plan to get between 400 and 450 cows milking.
We have to modernize to become more efficient. This funding is definitely a big deal. We applied for the grant to help us get a new 8,000 gallon tank, and also the 2 compressors for cooling and a free cooler to help preheat our hot water. We currently have a 4,000 gallon tank, and that will soon be full every day. When we get to 400 cows, it'll be full every day. You're supposed to have storage for 2 days on farm. With the new tank, it'll give us 2.5 days, 3 days, which will be great in case of holdups, emergencies, anything that holds the milk back. For our business, it's going to help us out financially, because if we didn't get this grant, we would have waited 5-10 years to put a tank in. It's very hard to buy new equipment. A lot of farms run on 1-day storage just because tanks are so expensive. You just pay a little extra for an everyday pickup compared to paying a little less if you have storage for 2 days. Just cross your fingers and hope there's no emergencies, that your milk gets picked up every day.
Like now with our co-op, Kraft, if they can't take a load or if something happens at the plant, if they couldn't get to us today, our milk would have to go down the drain before we could milk any more cows. So it definitely is going to help that way, give us at least 2 days of storage. And that's a good tool for our co-op also. They can use us as a place like, okay, we don't need to pick them up today. We can be the ones that get picked up last or used to not be picked up so they can get other people picked up. It's big for the whole co-op. It's fun, we love it, but it's hard to keep a farm going. That's why we did what we did and upgraded for our future and hopefully our kids. And that's why we kind of jumped and built the business we have. And that's why this funding is very important, and any funding, because it helps us out tremendously to keep us going. And this tank is a big part of it.
It's a big security for us to have the tank. It'll help us out a lot.